In this lesson, we're going to be plotting a polar coordinate. And remember that a polar coordinate is consists of a radius, so a distance out from the center, from the origin, and an angle measurement. So, also your grid is different. Your grid is now a bunch of circles, kind of getting bigger and bigger and bigger, depends on the radius. You're not talking about an x and a y. So if you graph 2, 30, here is how we can kind of freehand it. So we'll go 1. So this is a circle with a radius of 1. This is a circle with a radius of 2. And so we're going to be plotting a point on that circle that is out 2. So this is going to be out 2, so anywhere on this point, but we're going to be at the point of 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is roughly right there. So that point would be 230. Okay, so if it's in radians, no different. That we are plotting this point. And we are out 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are talking about somewhere on that circle. And we're going to be at the point 2 pi over 3. Which 2 pi over 3 is anything over 3 is a bunch of 60s, and 2 of them puts us at 120. So 120 is going to be somewhere out there. So that is, now that would have been positive 4, oops, but that is not where we're at because we have a negative going on. So the negative is going to just reflect us down to exactly the opposite side. So we would have been here, but we're going to reflect down exactly the opposite. So this is 60-degree reference angle, which means when we graph this, this should be a 60, and this with the y-axis is 30, so this with the y-axis is 30. So that is our coordinate right there of -4, 2 pi over 3. All right, and then last one. So we're looking at a 45. We're just going in a different direction, and we are out 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so try this again. Something like that. And then we have a positive radius, so wherever we plot the point is going to be normal. I don't have to reflect it. And we are just going back, and that's a 45. So we are back at 45, and we are out a distance of 5. So that is our point. 5 negative pi over 4. All right, so that was an introduction to plotting some points, but some polar coordinates. Points, polar coordinates.